Here we're going to take a look at having PartBuilder check the expected pin map from a BGA with missing pins for this big Xilinx part. So it's a 3824 pin package, and if I pop it up, we can see that there's some balls missing in the corner. There's a big square of balls missing in the center, and then there's balls missing in the bottom corner. Note that this step is optional. PartBuilder will read the pinout and find the number of pins for us, and you can just accept that answer. Or if you want to check it and verify it a little bit more, we can tell it what pins to expect and what pins are missing, and that's what we're going to cover. So we're going to use PartBuilder to read the pins and tell us what it knows about them, and then slowly get rid of all the pins. Okay, so what we'll do is if we start with nothing in the num pins, then PartBuilder will do a lot of checking for us. So we're going to extract the pins, and it's going to pop up and tell us it found pin range A1 to CC63, which is A1 right here to CC63, which is right here. We can see there's some pins missing, but what PartBuilder is telling us is what the full range of pins are for the BGA. So what we can do is we can put that in here. We can copy that and tell it this is the whole set of pin numbers. And then what we're going to start doing is tell it what pins are missing. And we'll set the number, we should have set the number of pins. So now it's set to 3824. But now this set of pins has more than 3824 pins because it's the full array. So what PartBuilder says is, hey, there's 145 pins that are not found in the pin report. And it gives us the list of them all. And one thing we could do is we could just straight copy this into here. But what we want to do is do it, and that would be like an unchecked way, like PartBuilder did it for us, right? But what we can do is look at the picture and help PartBuilder tell PartBuilder what pins are missing. So if we look here, we have this big chunk of square in the middle that starts at AG27, AG27, and it goes all the way to AU37. So let's tell it that chunk is missing right away. So we can say AG27 to AU37. And let's retry. Okay, so now it says 24 expected pins were not found, and we can see now it's just giving us the corners. So we got A1 to A3, A1 to A3, B1 to B2, C1. So we can either just cut and paste this in and check them out, or we could do it by hand. So let's do one corner by hand. So we would do A1 to A3, B1 to B2, and C1. And we'll retry one more time. And now we can see there's 18 pins missing, and now the bottom corner is showing up. So we could go look at that, or for speed, we'll just cut and paste this because we know it's doing the right thing. And we'll retry. And now we've gone green. Everything. PartBuilder is happy. So it has the list of the missing pins. It checked that every pin we told it, that it checked the whole range of A1 to CC63, and then it excluded these pins. And it checked and said, yes, those are the pins that I see in the pin report. So we very quickly validated the BGA pattern for this giant BGA.